Namaste. Hi. This is the guided practice for the Nadi Shodhana with Purakumbhaka. Sitting tall, yeah, cupping your hands to the Dhyana Mudra and rest them close to your hips. And then let's feel the breath first. Before any energetic practices, acknowledging the presence of the breath. And allow your eyes now to lift between the eyebrows inside the brain. Yeah. And if you can, keep your eyes steady there as you practice the method. Okay, right thumb closes the right nostril. Let the head nod to the chest. Let's practice the technique first, changing hands without retention. Okay? Inhale through your left side. Closing using your ring finger. Exhale through your right. Inhale right nostril. Holding. Change. Exhale through your left. So that's the basic technique. Inhale. You close first before you exhale. Inhale right side. Close first, then exhale left. All right, so this is the retention now. Ready? Inhale through your left. Holding 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. Exhale through your right. Inhale right side. Holding. Pull the core in. Soften the head. Eyes between the eyebrows. 2, 1. Change. Out through your left. Inhaling left. Hold. 2, 1. Change. Out through your right. Inhale right nostril. Holding. 2, 1. Change. Exhale through your left. Inhale left nostril. Like you're lifting your internal vision between the eyebrows, like listening to my voice only. 2, 1. Change. Out through your right. Inhale right side. Holding. You can also lightly lift your eyebrows up to engage your optic muscles. 2, 1. Change. Out through your left. In. Holding. 3, 2, 1. Change before exhaling. Inhaling. Holding. 3, 2, 1. Change. Exhaling. Inhaling. Holding. Clipping. Hollowing the throat. Drop the shoulders down. 2, 1, change out through your right. In, holding. 4, 3, 2, 1, changing, exhaling. Inhaling, holding. 4, 3, 2, 1, changing, exhale. Inhale, holding. 4, 3, 2, 1, change, exhale. In, holding. 2, 1, changing, exhale. In, 2, 1, change, exhale. Try your best. Inhale, holding. 4, 3, 2, 1, change. Just a few more. Inhale, right. Holding. 'Change, out breath. In, stay. Change, right. In, 2, 1, change. Left. One more per side. Inhale through that left. Holding. 4, 3, 2, 1, change. Right side. And the last one. Inhaling. Internally look between the eyebrows, suspending. 4, 3, 2, 1, change. Exhale, left side. Good. Free your hands and breathe. This is a moment of silence as the breath comes back. Good. Now you can meditate soon after. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, have a lovely day. Namaste. Bye-bye.